All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Finally, the tank is starting to die. Wow. I have been putting this phone to the test for the last almost 2 weeks. That is about what this phone is lasting. So I'm at 15% right now, and it still says I have more than 2 days left. But I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this video, get this thing out of here. So I ended up getting, because I know it's really what this, one of the main things about this video, I ended up getting a day and 3 hours and 17 minutes of screen on time. And this phone lasted about almost 12 days. And it's going to last even longer than that. It says I have another 2 days. And it's actually probably going to be more than 2 days. But 11 days, 18 hours, 25 minutes so far with, over a day of screen on time. That is my real world testing of the 8849 by Unihertz. So the tank is actually a different brand, but it's just under the Unihertz brand. But the 8849 TANK2 by Unihertz, this thing is a tank. Not just physically, but I was really curious to see how it would hold up on the battery. So I want to do a real test. Now, if you've been following me on social media, I've already put up a quick little snippet of a better snippet of the projector there. The projector is super cool. So head over to my Instagram, Mr. J.L. Williams, and you will be able to see a clip that I put up over there on a reel. But overall, folks, this phone, it's been really solid, man. I've been using it for social media like big time because I wanted to see how well it will hold up. And then I did some photos, and no recording really, but just a lot of social media and using these lights as well. So I'm surprised that the lights don't kill the phone as quick as I thought they would. I thought the lights on here would kill this phone a lot faster than it does. But this is a very overwhelming device as far as size for most people. I don't have a problem with it because of how big my hands are. And then this is a heavy phone, but you just need to find yourself not carrying it around, like trying to make phone calls with it. It's possible, but I would suggest throw it in your backpack and hit a Bluetooth up, and that would be more realistic. Because who wants to walk around with this big thing on their head, and it's got these lights on the other side, and the people are going to be like, what the heck is that? It'll draw more people to talk to you. That's for sure. Most people are going to be like, what the heck is that? That'll be the first thing that they probably say. Is that a phone or a flashlight? They're gonna instantly think flashlight if they see you holding this, talking on it. And then if you fire up the projector, you're going to get some serious people talk in a conversation with this phone. This is actually a conversation starter. Remember how phones like the flip phones and stuff and the folding phones will be the conversation starters? Not so much anymore. You can have a phone like this that's got a projector mode, thermal, and all these different things, and people are going to be in awe. They're going to be like, whoa, that is crazy. So other than that, performance and everything has been pretty solid. No complaints or anything like that. Like I said, I've been just doing a lot of social media with this. And that's really been the primary thing with it. I did put my SIM card in it and make a few calls and check it out. It does work on T-Mobile. That's got to be one of the number one questions that I get. Does it work on T-Mobile? And the answer is yes, it does work on T-Mobile. It should work on Metro. I don't want to say it'll work on Cricket too, but probably not for very long, because once AT&T finds out that you're using a phone that's not officially theirs or some kind of unlocked phone that's been certified, they'll block it or something, I hear. But it will work on Cricket, but I don't know how long. But it definitely will work on Google Fi, all these different companies that are pretty much based off of T-Mobile. Oh, you can also try Visible as well. You can try that. You can try it. I don't think it'll work with Visible, because I have a Visible account. I guess I shouldn't say that. Don't try it. Don't buy this if you have Visible. I'll verify it first, and then I'll get back to you. Because you have to be able to get, that's off of Verizon's network. And I'm sure this phone isn't CDMA or anything like that. But they've been using GSM too, so we'll have to check it out. But nonetheless, man, this is the TANK2. Just wanted to give you a quick follow-up. This phone is a tank on the battery. Now I've got to test out that fast charging, because it does have fast charging. And I'll be sure to get back to you on that and tell you how long it charges in another video. But for now, the TANK2 is a certified tank, because this thing lasts almost 2 weeks straight. This is like real world, no pressure, and I still have 15% left. I don't have to charge it right now. As a matter of fact, I probably won't charge it. I'll just let it go on down. But I wanted to shoot this video for you, let you know I got over a day of screen on time, and then 12 days, excuse me, of use out of it. So almost 2 weeks straight. I know this phone can go 2 weeks. Sometimes they claim 30 days for standby, and it can go 30 days for standby for sure, because I'm getting almost 2 weeks worth of usage out of it. So I know that this phone can go a month on standby, probably longer than that. And if you turn on power saving mode, you'll probably get more than that. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a follow up on the 8849 Tank by Unihertz. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.